Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ROBOROCK QRevo vacuum cleaner and I'm going to show you how can I easily edit your room. If we click on this option over here, we can see edit map. Here we have to click edit room, and as you can see, task not completed and the task before editing. We can end our task without any hesitation, and here as you can see the robot has familiarized itself with your home. You have to click adjust if you want to, and now we can edit our room. We can merge, divide, name and remove. We can click and manage our room. We can bring this setting to the defaults. The accuracy of room cannot be guaranteed as this map may be incomplete. You can click OK, and as you can see, map updating, and you can click now merge, but I don't have any room on the rooms over here. We can click divide. Over here we have this line. We can rename our room to bedroom, living room, kitchen, dining room, bathroom, or any other. And for example, I will choose bedroom and then save. And here we have remove, and we can remove, for example, this area with this plus, and now we can, for example, choose this and this area. Now remove with the stick and remove, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.